Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, swatches, like really good up close swatches, and skincare related videos. So if that's kind of your thing, you know, hit the subscribe button. I think it's here or it's here. Hit the button, hit the like sign, leave a comment down below, because I'd be happy for you to join me here on my little journey here where I try and play with makeup. So, all right, today's video, very, very requested video, is going to be on the new e.l.f. metallic eyeshadows. Now, I picked up two, and truth be told, this is the second time I'm filming this video. I filmed it the first time, and I like it, but I did something that wasn't crazy about. And I guess in this video, I just want to give you guys like a fair little warning, because this product is amazing. It's beautiful. Spoiler alert, it really is. But if you have hooded eyes, beware. That's all I have to say, okay? I promise it's an easy thing to kind of fix or whatever, to kind of get around, but yeah, just, okay. So in this video, we are going to swatch these. We're going to try them on. We're going to play with them. I'll give you like a little like background. I'll talk a little bit about these. So these just recently launched. They are like a follow-up to the liquid glitter eyeshadows. Those are so pretty too. I have a video. I'll link it here. I did pick up extra shades, so I might do another video, kind of touch base on the glitter eyeshadows again. But these are two of, I think it's like 7 shades that they released. Beautiful shade range. I wanted to like try color, because I have a tendency to either do like a brown eyeshadow in my crease, eyeliner, no eyeshadow. Like I'm trying to play with more color. So I picked 2 colors that you guys are going to be like, oh wow, you are playing with colors now. I picked up the color Supernova, which is this really pretty purple one. You're going to see up close shades. And then Big Dipper, which is like a copper rose gold. So these are pretty opaque. Yeah, let's cut into swatches so you guys can see, and then we're gonna play, and then I'm gonna talk about the whole hooded eye situation, okay? All right, so now here I have the e.l.f. It's the new liquid metallic eyeshadow. So I picked up 2 shades. I did Big Dipper, which is sort of like a reddish metallic eyeshadow, and I did Supernova, which is a really pretty like purple. Now I went with these shades because I'm trying to play more with color. I know I have a tendency to either like wear no eyeshadow or wear eyeshadow that's very close to like my skin tone, like that no makeup look. Oh, really quick, let me read you here. It says, get an amped eye look with this formula packed full of pearl for high shine, reflective, one swipe metallic coverage. Formulated for comfortable wear, this long-lasting opaque liquid eyeshadow delivers high-impact, multi-dimensional metallic in a quick drying gel base. Okay, so good to know. It does dry quick, and it's supposed to be very opaque or full coverage in color. So we're gonna swatch those 2. I thought these would be nice, kind of fun colors for my eye color. So here is Big Dipper. So you can see that it's got like a reddish, it's like a orangey red kind of metallic eyeshadow. So let's swatch that one first. Comes in like the wand similar to the glitter liquid eyeshadow. So it's flat, which is going to be nice to pack on some color. So here is Big Dipper. And that's really pretty. That's very reflective. And I would say that's a lot of color in that swatch. Next is Supernova, which is a really beautiful purple color. So let's try that one. I'll swatch it right next to Big Dipper. And that's it on the wand. And wow, that's really pretty. So those are the two colors. I'm excited to play with these. So it feels really nice. There's a lot of coverage there, and these are nice metallic sort of reflective shades. All right, so we're gonna try these out too. All right, so the colors are beautiful. It's so funny because I told you I filmed this already. I was gravitating towards the like purple shade. My husband actually really liked this like rose gold copper shade. He said it made like, it just popped a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the purple one on this eye and I'm gonna put the rose gold on this eye. So these do, when you open, kind of do have a lot of color on them already. So you can kind of start off by applying it to the bottom lash, bottom lid, or you can put them on the back of your hand and kind of work off with a brush. Now, I mentioned hooded eyes beware, because my eye is a little hood. Like if I'm looking straight at you, this part covers the top. This part covers this part of my eye because it's a little bit hooded, which is fine. It's kind of, it's getting more hooded as I age, which is totally fine. The problem is that when I put this on and I put it completely like up to here and I closed my, like I didn't close my eye, but I looked up, it transferred. And then it just stayed up here and it looked sloppy. I wasn't crazy about it. I might get like a little clip from my video and insert it so that you guys could see. Maybe I'll do that. But what I'm saying is, so if you're gonna put it on and you do have a hooded eye, don't take it past the part where you actually see, because it's gonna transfer. You know what, I'll just do what I did before and then I'll just clean it up. That's what I'll do. All right. So I got this last time and I put it on, and like I said, the color is so beautiful. Like, look at that. So you see how I'm putting it on, you can still see a part of my lid. If I take it like straight up here, you see how that transferred like that? Yeah. So if you do that, it's gonna transfer. Don't do that. Just try to keep it where you just see this part of your lid. Because it transfers and then it doesn't, it looks a little patchy. Because again, you know, our eyes move, and because they move, they can crease a little bit. But when it transfers to the top, I just didn't like that look. So what you can do is you can apply it. You can do one by one and kind of like let it dry, because once it dries down, it really doesn't move. So like for example, that's still kind of high. Let me just do this to kind of dry it down, and let's see if it transfers. If it does transfer, then don't take it up high. See, that's better. But you see how beautiful that color is? Now these are really nice if you want to like wing it out a little bit. So I'm just applying that to the back of my hand. I wouldn't use the wand that it comes with to wing it out. I would just kind of take like a skinny brush like this or an eyeliner brush. But if you want to take it and sort of like that. That's really beautiful. See? Oh yeah, okay, so now that it's kind of like completely set, it's no longer transferring. So if you are gonna use it and your eye's a little bit hooded, or it is hooded, wait for it to dry before you look up, because it will transfer and then it kind of looks a little sloppy. But you know, you could always do that, get micellar water on a Q-tip and just clean that up too. But you know, it depends on how much time you have to kind of mess around with it. So this is Supernova. I like this color a lot. It's really pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna do Big Dipper on this eye. I look silly because I'm gonna have just like a cotton pad or cotton thing floating around. I'm gonna have two different color eyes, but for the sake of this review, I want you guys to see it. And I'm going to just apply that to my lower lid. Now these also are great for just if you want to do like a color or metallic liner. Again, you could use like an eyeliner brush. I'm actually going to go back in with this brush. So just a little easier to kind of move the product around. And now remember, you do have a few minutes to kind of mess around with this before it dries down. Now, the reason I liked the purple color more was because this one, like to me, seemed just a tad bit subtle, but these are so reflective that they can only be so subtle. Now, if you have brown eyes, both of these colors really pop like a nice brown eye, you know? This one needs a little bit more. And they do layer on very nicely. So again, if you have a hooded eye and you're applying it like I am, just wait for it to dry down before you like look up, because it's going to transfer. Now, between both colors, personally, I feel like the Supernova color, the purple one, is slightly more opaque. Like when you go to lay it down, it really lays the color down. This one, like it lays it down, but then when you go to apply it again, like I feel like you could see through my lid here. You could see skin. You see? You can see the skin right there. This one was more opaque, I guess. So yeah, no, these are really pretty. You want to lay on, put on a layer, let it dry a little bit, and then if you want to apply a little bit more. Now, it's a liquid product. So is it not, like, is it going to crease? It creases a little bit, but it's so reflective that you don't really see it. And for the price point, like, it's amazing. Like, it's totally worth it. Like, you can see if I go like this. Hold on. There's some like creasing there, but again, that's because like I'm putting my eye in your face. If you're standing this far away, which normally you should be from somebody's face, especially now, you're not going to see it. You know what I mean? So it's $5. It's beautiful. It comes in like different ranges of colors. These two are probably the most colorful ones. I think there might be a green one. I could be wrong, but very beautiful. Very easy to use. If you don't have a hooded eye, you don't have to worry about any of the stuff that I mentioned. You're totally fine. I do have a hooded eye, so it's kind of what I'm working with. But still a very beautiful color. I don't know, which one do you guys like more? Do you like the purple or do you like the like copper rose gold color? Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know if you like the purple or this one. So are you guys trying these out? I recommend them. We want to play with color, you know, kind of play up our eyes. We are usually in masks all the time now. So even if you're like this, like look how pretty it looks. I think it's a nice option. I like the colors. It's very easy to use too. So let me know if you guys are going to be picking these up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.